Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Kavita Ashok Educational and Motivational Channel. Target 2021. We are explaining the important questions only the examination point of view. First, I will explain the 2 marks question from each chapter. Later, 4 marks and 7 marks. If you follow all these classes, it's enough to get good marks. I'm not saying 75 by 75, but we will get good marks. Those who are eagerly waiting for the important questions, we will start. So I am starting the chapter quadratic expressions. In this, the first important question, 2 marks question, find all k such that the equation x square plus 2 times of k plus 2 into x plus 9k equal to 0 has equal roots. What is given here? It has equal roots. We already know a quadratic equation has equal roots if and only if its discriminant value will become 0. So here, if you compare with the standard form, a value will be 1, x square coefficient. B value will be x coefficient, 2 times of k plus 2. And C will be 9k. We are comparing this equation to the original form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. X square coefficient a, x square coefficient nothing is there in the sense 1. So a value will be 1. X coefficient b, here x coefficient is the 2 times of k plus 2. C, in the position of c, 9k is there, 9k. Given equation has equal roots. So therefore, what we can get here? Delta is equal to 0. The discriminant value will become 0. What is delta here? B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. This implies B square equal to 4AC. This implies B square, what is B here? 2 times of k plus 2 whole square is equal to 4 into A in the sense 1 here, C in the sense 9k. Now 2 square 4 into k plus 2 whole square, that is equal to 4 into 9k. 4 get cancelled. Now a plus b whole square form, k square plus 2 square plus 2 times of k into 2 is equal to 9k. Now this is k square plus this will be 4 plus this is 4k is equal to 9k. We will write this as k square minus 5k plus 4 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in terms of k's. Multiplication value will be 4 and addition value will be 5. If you take 4 1 is 4, the 4 here minus is in a minus 4 minus 1 we can get. Minus 4 plus minus 1 will get minus 5. So we can write this as k square minus 4k minus k plus 4 equal to 0. From these two, k common, k minus 4. From these two, I am taking minus 1 common, k minus 4 equal to 0. From these two, k minus 4 common, k minus 1 equal to 0. Then k is equal to 4 here, k is equal to 1 here. So we want what? Find all k. So k value will be 4 as well as k value will be 1. Like this, we can solve the problem. Now, second question. Find a quadratic equation whose roots are minus a plus ib and minus a minus ib. So 2 roots are given. We can take one root as alpha minus a plus ib and beta will be minus a minus ib. Right. So whenever 2 roots are given, sir, first we can calculate alpha plus beta value is equal to minus a plus ib minus a minus ib. SIB minus IB get cancelled, it will be minus 2a. In the same manner, we can find out the product minus a plus IB into minus a minus IB. This is a plus b into a minus b form, a square minus b square minus a square minus IB square. Minus a square is a square here minus I square b square. We already know I square value will be minus 1. So a square minus minus 1 into b square. So finally this will be a square plus b square. Summation value and the product value. So our required quadratic equation when two roots are given is, what is it, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This is the formula to find out when two roots are given quadratic equation, x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Now this implies x square minus alpha plus beta value is already there here, minus 2a. So minus 2a into x. Alpha beta value is plus a square plus b square equal to 0. So finally what is our equation? X square plus 2ax plus a square plus b square equal to 0. Like this we can solve the problem. So first we can calculate alpha plus beta value and alpha beta value. Sometimes instead of giving alpha and beta individually, some of the roots will given directly minus 2a and the product of roots will be given a square plus b square. So directly write down the formula and replace, we can get the answer. Right. Find the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. So how can you find out the nature? So we can find out the nature by calculating the delta value. Is it clear? So first we will find out delta value. So while comparing the standard form, a value will be 3 here, b value will be 7, c value will be 2. So we will find out delta value. Delta is nothing but b square minus 4ac. Now delta is equal to b square in the sense 7 square minus 4 into 3 into 2. 7 square is 49, 4 3 are 12, 24. So delta is equal to, this is 25. This is nothing but 5 square. So delta is a positive value, delta greater than 0, and delta is a perfect square. Delta greater than 0 and delta is a perfect square. Therefore, the roots are rational and unequal. We are getting the roots as rational only but unequal. Different roots we can get. Why? Because delta is a perfect square. Like this we can calculate the nature. Right. If alpha and beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then find the values of alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. So is given alpha comma beta are the roots. So what is it? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We already know sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and product of roots alpha beta is equal to c by a. From this we can find out alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So what is the first question? Alpha square plus beta square. This is in the form of a square plus b square. A square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So here also we can write this as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So now alpha plus beta is there, minus b by a whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta is there, 2c by a. Now this is b square by a square minus 2c by a. A square a is in the LCM will be a square. So then this is b square into bracket minus 2c into bracket. Here a square is already there. A square will become a square if you multiply with 1. Here a is there, here a square is there. If you multiply with a, we can get this one. So finally what we can get here? Alpha square plus beta square is equal to b square minus 2ac by a square. Like this we can calculate the alpha square plus beta square value. Now alpha cube plus beta cube, right? A cube plus b cube, alpha cube plus beta cube. So we can write, so alpha cube plus beta cube. If you write the formula alpha plus beta whole cube, this is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. We want this one. So that's why alpha cube plus beta cube can be written as alpha plus beta whole cube minus, if you take this term to that, minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. This is the form we use it. Now we have alpha plus beta here. What is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. Minus b by a whole cube. Minus 3 into c by a, and alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Now minus to the power of what? Minus only, minus b cube by a cube minus of minus plus 3bc by a square. Now a cube is a LCM. Here we can get minus b cube. Here a square is there. Now we will multiply with a. So this is 3abc. So finally this will be 3abc minus b cube by a cube, and this is alpha cube plus beta cube value. Like this we can calculate alpha square plus beta square value and alpha cube plus beta cube value. Here formulas are very important to remember. Now one more important question. Two quadratic equations are there, sir. They have a common root. Then by using that common root concept, we have to show here b plus c plus 1 is equal to 0. Right. Let alpha be the common root. Then alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. And this is alpha square plus c alpha plus b equal to 0. Now, if you subtract, the sign will change here. Alpha square get cancelled, and this is b minus c into alpha plus this is c minus b equal to 0. B minus c into alpha is equal to b minus c. If you take this term to the right part, b minus c get cancelled, and alpha value will be 1. Take this as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Substitute this value in any one of the equation. 1 implies alpha, what is 1? Alpha square plus beta b alpha plus c equal to 0. No? Wherever alpha is, replace 1. So 1 square, so b into 1 plus c equal to 0. 1 plus b plus c equal to 1. So finally this is b plus c plus 1 is equal to 0. Like this we can solve the problem. So b plus c plus 1 is equal to 0. In the next session we will discuss more 2 marks questions for annual exams. Thank you very much.